Let's look at some Coachella outfits, starting with this very interesting pair right here, Charli D'Amelio and Megan Fox. Never did I think I would see them together, but I'm really loving this Charli D'Amelio outfit. The little bralette tank with the bandana, the chain, everything is perfect. She's giving. And I'm obsessing over Megan Fox's blue hair. I just think it's really, really cute. Plus the cowboy hat, chef's kiss. We're seeing definitely a lot of blue and denim, and Tiana Taylor really put it all together with this gorgeous blue mesh outfit, and the denim boots are probably my favorite part of the outfit. A little confused with the red bandana there, but I think it still pulls together. Plus the hat, 10 out of 10. Of course, Halle Bailey was in attendance to support her sister Chloe, and she's really giving mermaid, the Little Mermaid, with this really cute sparkly blue top. Like, could she not be more Ariel in this moment? Paris Hilton is one of my all-time favorite celebrities, but I just don't know if I really like this outfit that much. I just expected more from Paris Hilton. It's really just kind of giving a little bit of low effort, but honestly she pulls off anything she wears. Here we have Sierra Ramirez on the other side, back for year 2, and I'm seeing a lot of leopard print, which I really love. And honestly, bring back leopard print. It's super cute. Why do we ever let it go away?